My name is Caroline Fines and I'm Director of Giving Evidence, and we have just published some research looking into royal patronages of charities. We did this because we are an independent organisation. We don't take a position on the value of the royals. Our work is about providing evidence to help charities and charitable donors to make good decisions about what to do and how to do it. And we are aware of two things. On the one hand, some donors are extremely helpful to charities, some are not helpful at all, and some are detrimental, they're harmful. They create so much work that they get in the way. And so we're aware that not everything that is intended to help charities actually has that effect. I used to be the chief executive of a charity myself, and I've seen that firsthand. And on the other hand, we have seen charities take quite some effort to secure and retain royal patrons. And so it seemed to us a reasonable question to ask whether royal patronages help them, or whether and when they help them, in what circumstances. So we did some research to answer that question. The research was done independently. It was funded by the Belgian Red Cross in Flanders, which has a demonstrated commitment to providing high quality evidence to help operational non-profits inside the Red Cross network and beyond it to make good decisions on a range of issues. And we did our research from November 2019 until about the end of June 2020. This is one of a number of videos that I'm going to make to explain what we did and why and how and what we found. The headlines are that we found that the UK royal family have patronage relationships with various names with 2,862 organisations. A little under half of those are UK registered charities, 1,187. Of those, most are with, those patronage charities have a single royal patron, 1,067, and 123 UK registered charities have multiple royal patrons. We found that 74% of charities which have a royal patron in the UK did not get any public engagements with their royal patron during last year, 2019. The numbers of public engagements that royals do with their patronage charities varies quite a lot. So some get many more than that, some into the 40s or 50s in the year. Most of the ones that get more public engagements from their royal patrons are ones that were set up by the royals. So, for example, the Prince's Trust or the Duke of Edinburgh's Award. The charity that got the most public engagements with its patrons was the Royal Foundation of the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, which is now William and Kate's primary charitable vehicle. We looked at who gets patronages, and the answer is that the charities that have royal patrons are generally large, and they are concentrated in London, the southeast and the southwest of England, and concentrated in a few sectors. And then on the question of what effect royal patronages have on charities, we could not find any. We looked in a number of ways, which we'll explain, multiple different ways, and in none of them could we reliably find an effect that royal patronages have on charities. That doesn't mean there isn't effect, that just means that we were not able to find one using the various analytical techniques that we have. This research, like all of our research, is public. It's on our website at giving-evidence.com, and we hope that it helps patrons and donors and charities to make more evidence-based and informed decisions about how and what they do.